Total credit to statement of profit or loss. At 1 January 20X4, there was an allowance for receivables of $3,000. During the year, $1,000 of debts were written off as irrecoverable, and $800 of debts previously written off were recovered. At 31 December 20X4, it was decided to adjust the allowance for receivables to 10% of receivables, which are $20,000. What is the total receivables expense for the year? Answer: receivables allowance at 31/12/24, 10% of $20,000, $2,000. Receivables allowance at 1/1/24, $3,000. Decrease in allowance, $1,000. Irrecoverable debts written off, minus $1,000. Debt recovered, $800. Total credit to statement of profit or loss, $800.